Hi grade 9s, okay, this is the answers to that quiz that you had. Equation of line AB. Guys, there's line AB. It's a vertical line. All vertical lines like that always have an equation x equals something. And because it's going through the 2 there on the x-axis, the equation of line AB is x equals 2. The equation of line CD. CD is this line here. Alright, I can see that that line is cutting through the y at 3. There. So how do we get the gradient though? Look. Okay, there's the line CD. Okay, start at this point down here. You're going to go from that point up to that point, because those are 2 points on the line that we know. Okay, so let's start here. You go up 3 and across 1. Up 3 is positive 3, left is negative 1. EF, it's this line over here. Can you see straight away that line EF is going through the origin? Yes. So that means there's no C. Okay. So where's a point on the line that we know? We know this point here, which is another point that we know. There, we know the origin. So let's just rise and run from this point here to that point there. Alright, so starting here. Rise, how high up did I go? I went up 4, okay? And then run, right 3. So, rise is 4, positive, and run is positive 3. So 4 over 3. Number 5 is line GH. Okay, GH is that horizontal line down there. Guys, all horizontal lines have equations y equals something. And the value is wherever it cuts the y-axis. Alright, so that's cutting there the y at negative 5. So the equation of that line is y equals negative 5. Just like that. Alright, and the last one, JK. The gradient is very simple. Can you see that there's a point that I know, and then I also know that point, and I also know that point. In fact, it's just going diagonally through all the blocks. So your gradient, if I go from there, didn't I go up 1 and right 1? Yeah, and then I went up 1 and I went right 1. So your gradient is just 1 over 1, which is 1. Or if you want to start here, that I know that point, if you go up 2 and across 2, there you get back on the line. So there your gradient's 2 over 2. Doesn't matter how you look at it. The gradient of line JK is going to be 1. Alright, and I can see that if I extend this line further down, it's going to go through there and it's going to eventually go through the y at negative 5. Do you agree? So we know that the constant in the standard form is minus 5.